Hello and welcome to Programming Parrot. In this tutorial, we will be looking into getting set up with Python. My name is Sasan and I will be your instructor throughout this course. In this lesson, we will cover how to install and set up Python for Windows. Let's begin by making sure that Python is properly installed and configured on your computer. So here on my machine, I'm going to open a terminal window, and then in the terminal window, I'm going to type in Python and hit enter. And you can see that I'm using Python 3.7 on my computer. Now, if you are on Windows and you didn't get a result that looks like this, the word Python followed by a version number, then you probably got some kind of error message, or the version number you have is less than 3.7. So in either case, that means you need to install the latest version of Python on your machine. So let's head over to the Python website. This is the Python website located at python.org. I'm going to go ahead and click on the downloads area. You can see that there's a link to download the latest version, which is the 3.x series. For this course, you should have at least version 3.7 or above. You can also see that the downloads page defaults to the version for my operating system, which in this case is Windows. There are also download links provided for a variety of other operating systems. I've already done this for my machine, so if you need to, go ahead and download then run the installer by clicking on this button right here. It's a very simple process and it should only take you a few minutes to complete. You can then go ahead and go back and try that terminal test again that we did earlier to make sure everything works. That is pretty much all you need to do. Once you've got Python installed, you are ready to continue. That is it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Be sure to leave a like and comment, share and subscribe if you found this tutorial useful. Thank you for watching.